Hey, welcome, welcome. Here is our LD50 spread, I guess. And I'm just going to show you this one down here. And oh, nice glare. Here, let's try and bring it up like that.
There we go.
Okay, there's our control. And you can clearly see the radishes, all 10 of them have sprouted, and they are growing. They're growing pretty well. Mr. Sandin is going to be pointing out.
This is the radical, right?
Yep.
And then all the root hairs off of there. Talk a little bit about why some are green and some are brown still.
Go ahead.
Well, this is the first seed leaves. Okay, this is a dicot, so this would be 2 dicotyledonate, but that's going to start absorbing energy now. Okay, the seed had energy to start to grow, to anchor itself and get its root hairs down to absorb moisture, but if it doesn't start opening up some green leaves quick, it's going to run out of energy. So
okay, so we have a pretty clear cutoff down in here as to where the seeds started dying, and you'll see that in our data table. But which one? I think we're going to choose this one.
1% solution.
That's the 0.1%.
Oh, 0.1%.
And so we're going to look at this. I'm going to let you adjust. And you can see that all the 0.1 seeds have germinated. They're not quite as healthy of roots as our control. And to measure the roots, here's all we're going to do is we are just going to measure their length. And so this one, taking into consideration that it's curving around the corner, it's probably somewhere a little around 2.9 or 3 centimeters. This one, where's another good one that I can find? This one has got my, does that go this way or does that one go that way? See, that's part of the problem, is it's sometimes kind of difficult.
How about this one?
So that's the one going that way? That one's
that.
also about 3. This one over here is about 1. And so we are going to be providing you with all the data. Actually, we have measured it already, and we're going to give you the data right now. So,
good cooking show. There's one in the oven.
And if I go right there, there we go. So here's all the data that we got. You can see that we had pretty good growth for all through 0.5. And then once you get to 1% solution, and somewhere between 1 and 1.5%, it looks like that's where our 50% mortality is. And then it's just really amazing, these last 3, there's just really no sign of growth whatsoever. And then the other thing that's kind of interesting to see is look what's happening to the root length. As more salt is added, the root length gets much, much smaller. And even with this 0.1 solution, all of them germinated. However, the root length is not quite as big as what it is in our control. Anything to add, Mr. Sandin?
It's obvious you did not screw up the control.
I did not screw up distilled water. I am very happy that I did not do that. But there's our data.
Yep.
And so
this is linked in the agenda also, this table and this video.
All right. And we'll in class discuss what your next steps will be. See you later.